Gus, that was amazing. Thank you very much. And I think people got excited from listening to you. Now, welcome to my kitchen. And I want to start cooking some omelets here together with you. Gus talked about change, and I will talk about a couple of other, both classic, traditional Cs, as well as some contemporary Cs. But before we do that, I want to share a little bit about direct materials. In omelets, there are many eggs, and of course there are indirect eggs, there are direct eggs, there are some travel and expense eggs, and there's workforce that we also spoke about before. So there are lots of eggs that we can cook up in traditional omelets. But if we just look at direct materials for a second, we found in this recent Oxford and SAP survey and the report that we have that 53% of all executives believe and know that they have a single source of supplier for certain things in their supply chain. Also, 57% of executives say that they have a very tight partnership with suppliers in driving innovation together. And 49% say suppliers have visibility to the future demands of what they need to have into their goals and in their products. That means still that we're missing lots of visibility in some of those. And we also have some still big supply chain risks. So cost control compliance in our basic omelette that we've been serving up from procurement in a traditional sense for a long time has worked, has been good, and has driven change. However, in a contemporary world, I believe we have to move on, and I think we have to look at how do we drive more connectivity, speaking to suppliers, making sure that they have visibility of what we want and what our customers want, so ultimately we can communicate better and drive more change. Conscience, of course, areas like modern slavery, procurement with purpose are on the agenda everywhere, and I think we got to spice it up in the omelette and add that flavor and protein to it. And then finally, if you look at convenience, why is it so hard on Mondays at the office sometimes to get something done and to understand, am I doing the right thing? Am I purchasing the right thing? And we got to make that simpler. And I think there are obviously solutions out there that certainly help with that and to can cover the whole spend. Now, I think we have to really look at that convenience and say, Sunday at home, it's always simple. Monday should be the same. And now it is. Welcome to the future. So I think part of this is just help us all with the driving the change aspect and also redefining innovation. Now, I believe that innovation is something that is new for that given customer at that given time. So sometimes we talk about innovation as being too big and too uncontrollable and too difficult to drive. And I think if we slow down a little bit and embrace the innovation that we actually can consume and digest, then we all have an omelette that really makes sense for all of us. So with that, I wish you a great rest of the day. And here is Ollie, my dog, and he will need to go and get a haircut, just like everyone else. I think we're looking for it to open up. So with that, thank you very much. And Chef Henrik out.